Hey everyone, this is the 2010-2011 Panini Contenders team box break number 1. Um, Here's a list of all the winners. Congratulations to everyone who won. This is serial number, let's get it on there for you, 561777783. Alright, let's get this started. Next week I think we're going to have a little bit of something different on here. I think I'm going to do a 11-12 limited box, possibly a 2-box break, and then maybe another Zenith. We'll see. Good luck to everyone in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 24 packs. Goes back so you can see them. Empty box. And let's get it going. Good luck, everyone. We have Christopher Letang for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Henrik Lundqvist. We have our leather legacy card, Marc-Andre Fleury. Leather larceny, Chris Pronger, and Matt Cullen. Guys, if you don't want your base cards or anything, let me know, and I won't send you an invoice for shipping. If you want, I can also just hold on to them until you get a hit in another box. But we have a Jonathan Quick, Todd Bertuzzi, Cam Ward, Tomas Foucan, and Brad Richards. Spidnek Mikulak, Brandon Dubinsky. Oh, first auto, put it at the bottom. Rick Nash, Jerome McGinley, and the first auto going to the Calgary Flames is a TJ Brody on-card rookie autograph. Congratulations to the Flames. Alright, we got a Danny Healy, Jason Spezza. We got our awards contenders, Sidney Crosby, Corey Perry, and another Sibnek Mikulak. And they want me to keep saying that name. Wrong. Alright, we got a Pekka Rinne, David Booth, Matthew Garon, Brandon Dubinsky, and Danny Healy. Duncan Keith, Tim Thomas. We got our draft tandems for the New York Rangers. It is Brian Leach and then Adam Graves there, but that one will be going to the Rangers. White card, Jason Spezza, and Pekka Rinne. So far, we only have one hit out of the box, so we're looking for at least 3 more. We got Nicholas Bergfors, John Carlson, Jonathan Toews, another beer coaster, Renee Bork, and Alex Ovechkin. Alright, Teemu Selanne, Mikhail Grabovski, looks like we got 2 playoff tickets. One's going to the Buffalo Sabres, 67 out of 100, and that is Thomas Vanek. And then right after that one, we have Patrick Kane for the Chicago Blackhawks, numbered 92 out of 100. Steven Stamkos, and then Brent Johnson. Hit a lot of the inserts so far. Alright, Joe Pavelski, Claude Giroux. We have our Against the Glass, Michael Del Soto for the New York Rangers. Sean Avery, and Michael Cammarelli. We have Corey Schneider, Joe Thornton. We got our hits, I'll put that at the bottom. David Booth, Matthew Garone, and the hit is for the Philadelphia Flyers. It is a Sergei Bobrovsky on-card autograph. Congratulations, Flyers. Alright, we got a Chris Pronger, Phil Kessel. Wow. We have our classic ticket, Reggie Bamelli, not numbered, Duncan Keith, and Tim Thomas. Alright, pack number 12, almost halfway through this box. We have Nicholas Backstrom, John Sebastian Giroux, our lottery virtue for the Colorado Avalanche, Matt Duchene, Josh Bailey, and Ryan Smith. Alright, halfway through the box, and we have 2 of the hits so far. So let's look for the next 2. Milan Lucic, Daniel Sedin, TJ Oshie, Corey Schneider, and Joe Thornton. Alright, Martin Brodeur, Ales Hemsky. Oh, we got our next hit, put that at the bottom. Nicholas Lindstrom, Zach Parise. I know someone's going to be happy about this. We got a San Jose Sharks, Tommy Wingles. Congratulations. It's who I think. Yep, Eye in the Sky. There you go. Alright, Rick Nash. Jerome McGinley. Rookie of the Year contenders, Torrey Hall. Drew Doherty. And Jimmy Howard. Corey Perry. Vincent LeCavalier. Sidney Crosby. Matt Duchene. And Ryan Miller. Evgeny Malkin. Alexandra Burrows. Oh, looks like we got our nice tip. Put it at the bottom. Thomas Plekanec. Ryan Whitney. And then the hit is a Redemption 2010 rookie ticket, card number 165. There you go. Let's see who it is real quick. Marcus Johansson. Marcus Johansson. There you go. Not sure who he's on, but I will post in the link on the YouTube as soon as I get it. David Backus. Phil Lino. Perennial contenders, Carey Price for the Canadiens. Steve Ott. And Brandon Sutter. Alright, Ilya Kovalchuk. Anze Kopitar. Louis Erickson. Evander Kane. Mike Smith. Hopefully we have a little hot box here and get another hit out of here. We have 1, 2, 5 more packs left, including this one. Eric Stahl. Nathan Horton. We have our legendary contenders, Johnny Bukic. White card. Ryan Clowie. And Daniel Alfredson. Dwayne Rollison. Nicholas Backstrom. Henrik Zetterberg. White card. Roberto Luongo. Alex Steen. Patrick Kane. Mika Kuprasov. The Great Outdoors for the Boston Bruins, Sean Thornton. Mike Richards. And John Tavares. 2 more packs left. Let's see. Ryan Getzlaff. Jonas Gustafsson. Then we have another draft tandem. It's going to go to the Oilers. It's Alex Hemsky and Derek Waugh from the Sabres. Numbered 63 out of 100. Mikko Koivu. And Ryan Callahan. And we're down to the last pack. Got Henrik Sedin. Martin St. Louis. An awards contender, Vezina Trophy, Tim Thomas. Matthew Lombardi. Jeff Carter. And that's going to do it. I'll go over the hits with you guys one more time. We got Tommy Wingles on-card autograph for the San Jose Sharks. Sergei Bobrovsky on-card autograph for the Philadelphia Flyers. We have TJ Brody on-card autograph for the Calgary Flames. And then we have the redemption, number 165, rookie ticket, which goes to Marcus Johansson. And like I said, I'll post in the link once I figure out what team he's on. Congratulations to everyone who won. Once again, if you guys don't want the base, let me know. If you want me to hold on to him for another break, let me know. Congratulations, and I should have some limited up for next weekend and possibly another box of Zenith. Have a good night, guys.